If you want to see more topics, then check the playlist section of this channel. Also, if you want to buy my notes, then check the link in the description below. In this video, we will see an example on sinusoidal steady state analysis. Question: using nodal analysis, the value of VO in the circuit of figure is. Here for this circuit, we have to find the value of this VO by using nodal analysis. Solution: first of all, we will take the circuit from here. Now, let's say this is a reference node or ground node. Let's say this current is current I1. We have to assume all the currents towards this reference node. So let's say this is current I1 and this is current I2. Now what we will do, in case of nodal analysis, we use KCL. So apply KCL at node VO. So here at this node VO, we have to apply Kirchhoff's current law. According to Kirchhoff's current law, summation of all the currents entering a node is equal to summation of all the currents leaving the node. Now here at this node, the entering current is 4 at an angle 90 degree is equal to leaving currents are I1 and I2. So I1 plus I2. So 4 at an angle 90 degree is equal to, now this I1 in voltage form, this will be VO minus 0. VO minus 0 divided by impedance value is J6. So J6 plus I2. Now this I2 will be VO minus 0. So VO minus 0 divided by minus J3. So minus J3. Now we can easily find the value of VO. So it will be 4 at an angle 90 degree is equal to VO in bracket. We can take this VO common. So it will be 1 upon J6. 1 upon J into 6. Then plus 1 upon minus J into 3. 1 upon minus J into 3. It is equal to 1 by 6 J. 1 by 6 J. Now VO is equal to this 4 at an angle 90 degree. 4 at an angle 90 degree multiplied with 6 and divided by J. Because if this J goes on this side, so it will be divided by J. So VO is equal to, now let's solve this in calculator. 4 at an angle 90 degree multiplied with 6 divided by J. Let's check it again. So this 6 goes on this side, then divided by J. Yes, it is correct. So it is equal to 24. So therefore VO is equal to 24, and since it is a voltage, so its unit will be volts. So this is how we can find voltage by using nodal analysis in AC circuit in sinusoidal steady state condition or in sinusoidal steady state analysis. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel, and thanks for watching.